Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. Do you like my new display? Got the Scooby-Doo sets all over here. I just need to get a case for this one because it kind of looks sad that all the other ones are in a case and this one is not, but I haven't found one yet that it'll fit in because it's really tall. Also, I do officially now own this lighthouse one. My dad gave it to me for my birthday, so that was very nice of him. Today, we are building a 3-in-1 set. We are building the typewriter with flowers. So you can either make the typewriter a flower pot with a pen and notebook, or I don't know what it's called, but let me see if there's a better pen. That instrument right there. Like I know it's an actual instrument. It's not one they made up. I just can't remember the name of it, so I'm sorry. But we are going to be building the typewriter. It is set 31169 and it has 363 pieces. I haven't built my big Lego typewriter yet, but when I do, this will be displayed with it. So very excited about that. When I first got it, I thought that the little words up there at the top of the paper was printed, but apparently they were a sticker. So let's open this up and see how many bags we have and see if the sticker sheet. So we do have a sticker sheet. It is 3 stickers on it. They're all for a page to put in the typewriter. So we have Once Upon a Time, Very Big Idea Starts Small. So sorry. Every big idea starts small. I can't read. And then To Rebuild or Not to Rebuild. That one's kind of cool. And it's also in different font. So I don't know if... Come on, focus on it. Well, there we go. So the bottom one is in a different font from the other ones. That's really cool. So of course we have the 3 booklets. The pink typewriter. The pen and notebook paper with the flower pot. And then the instrument. So that's pretty neat. But I will be doing the typewriter. We have 3 bags. So there is bag number 1, bag number 2, and bag number 3. And I'm very interested to see if they actually make you choose which one of these stickers to put on your tile, or if there are 3 different tiles to put this on. You could switch them out however you want. But anyway, I'm very excited to build this. I know it will not work, sadly. The big typewriter is supposed to work. This one will not. So that's kind of sad. But it's still going to be a very cute display. So let's get building. What do you think, Cheeto? Psst, psst, psst. What do you think? The typewriter set, and it's so much more cute in person. This is adorable. Of course, the keypad does not work, but there is a moving feature, and the flowers give it a nice little touch. But if you don't like flowers in your typewriter, you can take them out. They're just in there by a simple pen. But you probably just saw the keypad moves. That's so cool. So let's take a real quick in-depth look at it. Here it is, so cute. As I said, the keypad does not work. It does kind of wiggle so that this right here will move. But that's really all it does. It is framed with snot bricks, building plate, and then attaching it with snot bricks of these pink on the side. The back of it is not quite as pretty. We do have the representation of the knob there. That is on both sides. We have this little thing here that'll turn, go up and down. And then you can slide this back and forth. And that was this is a really cool gray piece that's in there that I've never seen before. I guess maybe this is the first set. I haven't seen it in any other set. It is right there. Focus, come on. It's right there. It's like a brick, but with a slide element in the middle. So that's a really cool piece. There are 6 of those, 3 on either side, to hold this going back and forth. We also have this cute brick built paper back here. I chose the to rebuild or not to rebuild sticker to put on mine. You do actually get 2 extra tiles to put the other 2 stickers on, so I can switch it out if I choose to, but I thought that one was the coolest and the obvious choice for a Lego build. And then we have flowers here. We have 2 of these tall pink ones. This really cool one. They don't tell me what these represent. I wish they would. So I don't know what flowers these are. I'm sorry. But this one's really neat. Like that one. And then we have this blue one with the greenery coming off the side. So it's a very simple build, but a very cute, small build. So if you could not afford, or you did not get a chance to buy the big typewriter, this would be an option for you if you love typewriters. As I said, I do have the big one. I just haven't built it yet. I will be building it later on this summer. So, very excited for that. So, as I said, this part moves, makes a little clacking noise. That's really cool. But each individual piece does not go down. It's just the whole thing moves. And then this goes back and forth. So, very neat build. So I love this 3-in-1 build. Lately the 3-in-1 builds have really been good. We had that cat, we had this, and we also have a 3-in-1 record player. I need to get that because I love record players, and I wasn't able to get the record player that came out with a gift with purchase. I would love to get one of those, but I didn't when they come out, and I'm kind of sad about it because I had one of those retro style record players with a clear top. I had one of those. That was my mom's. So it would have been really neat to have that one, but I didn't make it. So I need to get the 3-in-1 record player. It's blue, one of my favorite colors. So definitely need to get that. So, but the typewriter is amazing. It is very cute, very small. Just like a nice little piece to decorate if you like typewriters and you don't have that much space. So I hope you all enjoyed. Go build Lego, let God. Bye everybody.